Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a autumn favourites video for you. I've picked loads of things in this basket that I've been absolutely loving for the last couple of months and I wanted to share them with you. I love watching favourite videos just because you get to see the kind of things that people are loving, and sometimes you can discover some really nice new things, and I just really wanted to share what I've been loving, why I've been loving it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like beauty, makeup and vlogs, then I do upload regularly, so it would mean the world to have you as a subscriber. And let me know in the comments if there's anything you see in this video that you've tried as well. I'd love to know your thoughts. As you can see, I've got a lot in here. There's loads of different things. There's candles, there's one candle actually, there's loads of bath things, I've got fragrances, I've got makeup, I've got loads of things in here, and I'm just needing to start this because there's so many. I am going to start with one of my all-time favourites. This is the Snow Fairy Lush Shower Gel. I have gone through one bottle of this already this year, and this is my second bottle. If you love candy floss and baths, you will love this. I absolutely adore it. I'm definitely going to get another bottle as well. I have had 2 of these this year. I'm now on the last quarter, which will last me the last quarter of the year. So I am definitely sure that I need 2 to see me through the year, but the scent of this is amazing. And it just smells so sweet and candy floss like, and it's got glitter and it's pink, so what more could you want? I love baths. When I'm happy, sad, celebrating, anything really, I always throw myself in the bath. Even though it is a shower gel, I do use it as an actual bubble bath and it creates loads of bubbles, so I really like it. Next up is a fragrance. This is the Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals fragrance. It's a body mist. I love this. I'm going to spray it now actually. It just smells so feminine and pretty. I just absolutely love this. The fragrance is described as lush blooms and almond glaze, and it's so nice. I love these body sprays for just throwing in your handbag, especially work bags, things like that. It's just a really nice way to get some scent, and these are huge bottles as well, so you can get 2 for £22 I think it is, and I picked these up in January and I'm only through my first bottle, so they do last a long time, and the fragrance is amazing. There's so many different scents, and this moves me on to the next one, which is also a Victoria's Secret scent. This one's in Aqua Kiss, and as you can see, I've only got a sliver left in the bottom of the bottle. Love this one, really liked it. This one's described as Cool Waters and Bright Daisy. I did really like this one as well, as you can see, because I've nearly used it up, and this has been my work bag favourite, and I definitely would look to repurchase. Love the scent of this as well. I'd say the Velvet Petals one is more of a girly scent, but this one's still very nice. Next, we're going to move on to foundation. I wear the same foundation every single day. I'm not going to lie to you. It's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 32 Hour Matte Cover in the shade 110. I always talk about the same sort of things in my favourites because I love them. And you will see new things crop up eventually, but generally I do have some very good staples, which I truly swear by. And this is one of them. This is what the foundation looks like on my skin. I love it. I have quite oily skin. Now I've started acne medication. I don't really have that oily problem anymore, but this foundation just sits beautifully. Love the colour, love the texture, and lasts all day. Next, I'm going to talk about a NYX Professional Makeup Blusher. This is the Buttermelt Blush in the shade My Butter Half. It's a new one from their collection. The packaging looks like Polly Pocket. I love it so much. This is a very hot Barbie pink blush. And then inside you'll see it's a very Barbie colour. It's very pretty. I did wear this for the Tully's event, and it's very pigmented. I love this pink. I think it's beautiful for winter and summer, but it's got a very sort of cool undertone. Really like it, and it's not really like anything I've had before, so I really enjoy it. It's a very nice formula, and I just want to say again, when is the highlighter coming out for this range? Because they would be incredible. I can just imagine a silver and a gold in a highlighter. Definitely would have to get that. And the pigment on this is amazing. They do blend out really nicely as well. I'll show you on the back of my hand, because it does have quite a lot of pigment, but it does blend out. If you want to see me testing this in a video, I have already uploaded a NYX Barbie Get Ready With Me video, which I will leave linked below, where I used a lot of the NYX Barbie collection, and I will be doing a full face of NYX Cosmetics because they did very kindly gift me a lot of makeup, and I can't wait to share it with you. And that's the NYX Buttermelt Blusher. On to 2 lip products now. These are both from Lush. I love them so much. The first one is the Unicorn Lip Scrub. I've been loving this so much. It smells of sweets. It's perfect and really nice in the mornings and at night when you're just looking to put a bit of scrub on your lips, and it tastes amazing as well. Very citrusy, and it just makes your lips feel really smooth and soft, and I really like it. And the scent is just amazing. I really love Lush scents. Another thing lip care from Lush is the Snow Fairy Lip Mask. Again, it's in the little glass jar. Love the colour of it, so cute. And it's a bright pink lip mask. This one is more of a balmy kind of formula, so it's going to moisturise and condition your lips. It's so nice. and it smells incredible as well. Just like the Snow Fairy shower gel, so if you like that scent and find it calming like I do, you can have it on your lips and on your face every day. So that's why I really like this. It is limited edition around Christmas time and New Year's too, so if you like this kind of thing, keep an eye out in Lush. I think it's launching soon. Next, I have to mention this Sephora lip gloss. I got this in France, really have been loving it. It's so glittery and pink. This is what the lip gloss looks like. I have tested it in a video, I'm pretty sure, and I think I've done a short on it. It does feel quite plumping. It's not like anything else I've got before. It's very pastel pink, glittery princess goodness. It doesn't really have a scent, I don't think. I'm going to pop some on now. And it just makes my lips feel so nice. I do think it has a plumping effect, but I just love the shimmer. And I think this will be perfect throughout winter, just because it has kind of an icy, pinky glitter to it, and I think it's lovely. Trying to think of describing words. I just think everything's pretty. I have to talk about this from Body Shop. I did a full-on Body Shop haul on the beach. It will be up soon if it's not already. And this is the Body Shop Breathe Calm Balm. This was actually a free gift in the Body Shop when I made some purchases. This is designed to have calming scents. It's kind of like a pillow spray but for your neck. And I really like it. It does smell very calming. It's got essential oils in it. And I've been wearing it an awful lot, every day pretty much. So I've just been rubbing my finger in like that and then popping it under here. You're meant to put it on your pulse points. And I have actually shared it with my friend at work, and she did say it helped her feel calm too. So I feel like it does actually work. If you do suffer with anxiety or stress, things like that, I genuinely do think this does help. So I would recommend having a look at this. And it's called the Calm Balm from Body Shop. Another thing from Body Shop which I've absolutely been loving this month is the Strawberry Body Butter. This is the mini version, and I just wanted to try the strawberry scent and I've fallen in love with it. It's really nice after baths or in the morning, and it just makes you smell so nice, especially when you're putting it on before pyjamas. It just makes you feel so cozy, and I really love the scent. They of course do loads of different scents around different times of the year. They have a bluebell scent which did really intrigue me, and the vanilla one I have used before which is really nice too. I am definitely going to look out for their Christmas scents, and yeah, I really like this. Definitely leaves your skin feeling soft and smelling amazing. I have to talk about this because this is probably my most used product for this month. This is the Body Shop hand cream in the scent Satsuma. As you can see, the packaging's quite squished now because I've used it so much. I love this. It smells like Christingles at Christmas. It's just a thick hand cream, really nourishing. I'm going to put some on now because I just love the scent, and when you put this on it actually smells like you've got perfume on. So if you need a refresh throughout the day or just want to smell something nice, it literally smells like Christmas to me. I don't know, it must be the Christingles. Do you remember the oranges with the little sticks and the sweets? Do they still do those? It smells amazing. So I've really been enjoying this. I definitely would repurchase this once it's run out, but I'm just enjoying it for the time being, and I would recommend this scent. Definitely smells like a perfume. Next up is some nail polish. This is by Lottie London. It's a plant-based gel colour in the scent, not scent, but there's no shade either. I don't know what shade it is, it's just neon pink. I actually use this on my toenails because I get my nails done at the salon on my hands, but I really love this colour, and it's a very neon baby pink. It's beautiful. But yeah, I really like the colour of it and the quality. I've been using it all throughout summer and up to now, and I will continue to use it on my toenails. Love it. And yeah, that's my nail polish. Next up, I have to mention some Halloweeny bits. This is a candle that Jack got me from Primark. It's got a little pumpkin on the top, says trick or treat, and it smells amazing. To me, it smells of gingerbread and cinnamon. It's just beautiful. I haven't actually brought myself to light it yet, but I can just smell it. It's amazing. And the lid comes off like this. But I will start to burn this now. It's towards Halloween, but you can smell it even through the lid, and I just love the scent of it. So that was from Primark. Love this. Thank you, Jack. And I think it's a really cute bit of room decor, which I've got by my bed normally. And yeah, really like it. As we're talking about Halloween, I've got to talk about Tully's Shogtoberfest. It was amazing. I got invited to go with Nyx, which I'm so grateful for, and I kept these cups from the event. I did do 2 vlogs, which should be up on my channel now. If you want to see what it's like, it's a really fun Halloween event, and it's basically very scary, but it's so much fun with your friends, and I've created memories for life, and I'm so grateful. These are the little souvenir cups with the designs on. Yes, they look a bit scary because it's a Halloween event, and the hashtag we used was We Dare You when we were posting. Love it so much. This is a little tiny half pint cup, and then this is the pint cup, and you did get to keep these. I thought I accidentally took them, but you were allowed them in the end, so that's great. And then this was the lanyard that Nyx gave me. Love it. We'll treasure this. I just think it's so cool. I'm just so grateful. Thank you. This invite did come at a really tough time in the year for me, I'm not gonna lie to you, and it just reminded me to keep going, because you always have yourself, and that is something you've got to remember. And this is the VIP wristband we got given, and it gave us a fast track on every attraction that we wanted to go on. It was incredible. So yeah, really like it. Very grateful. We'll treasure those things. And again, if you want to see those vlogs, they are up on my channel, and they were my favourite memory from this era of life. I just I loved it so much. So I had to include that in my favourites. I will just show you one more thing which I treasure from this month. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate I Know That's Bright shadow palette. As I said, we did get gifted a lot of makeup, and this was one of the things. I just love this so much. I think it's perfect for Halloween. It's got 16 shades in it, and it's just beautiful, isn't it? I'll get as close as possible there. I am actually going to open it. Let's just open it. It's got some sunglasses on there, and then inside is the most beautiful palette ever. I'm so excited to create some looks with this. As I said, I am going to be doing a full NYX Professional Makeup video with the makeup, and I'm so excited. Oh, I see the sunglasses are on here because it's bright. Love that. And this one actually has loads of glitter in it, which is very up my street. So yes, thank you to NYX, and I just love this whole part of the month. It was amazing. That was my favourites for this month. I don't know what's happened to that heart there. I think it's... Did the rabbit chew that? That was everything for my favourites this month. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you've seen in this video that you've tried before. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at ZoeyGlitter, Zoey with a Y. And let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. I would love to have your opinion. I just enjoy YouTube so much, and I will always do it. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. It would mean the world, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!